Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to make a Halloween shirt. I purchased this design from my Etsy shop and I will link their information in the description box down below. Also, I've created 3 Halloween party favor freebies that you can check out on my blog after this video. It will be linked in the description box down below as well. So let's get started. First, the image will need to be loaded into Design Space. The format that I used was the SVG instead of the PNG. I chose this format because normally with SVGs you can change the color of the layers. So the image came in pretty big, so I'm just going to resize the image to a 10 by 10 inch. And I'm going to change the color of the headband to purple since that's what I have on hand. And before I save this project, I want all of the black layers to be attached and cut together as I see it on the screen. So I will select Ungroup and then select all the black layers and click Attach at the bottom. And now we can save and then make it. So on the prepare page, we will need to click mirror for both mats since we are using HTV. And for this project, I'm using glitter vinyl for the black layers and regular iron-on vinyl for the purple layer. So when I go to cut, I will need to make sure to change the cut settings for each individual layer. So for the glitter vinyl, I'm turned the dial on my Cricut Machine to custom. And once it's on custom, I will be able to search for the material I'm looking for, which is glitter iron-on. And then we're just going to let it cut. And for the purple headband, I turn my dial back to iron-on cut settings on the machine. And then we're just going to let this layer cut as well. Next, I will show you the steps, which is weeding and pressing the shirt. After I weeded the black layer, I turned on my heat press to let it warm up. My heat press is set for 315 degrees. I think that temperature is a good middle spot between the two vinyls. So now for the fun part, I'm going to press the shirt for about 3 seconds just to get the wrinkles out. And now I'm going to add the black layer on first. I like to put my design around 2.5 to 3 inches down from the neck. And since this is just the first layer, I'm going to press it for 5 seconds, just enough for it to adhere to the shirt. Next, we'll add the purple layer. And the purple layer took a minute to place into the correct positions due to the spots, but eventually I got it on. So add my parchment paper, and I'm going to press for the full 15 seconds. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to be a part of my growing crafting family. Have a great day, guys.